what he did was wrong and it was not right but wrong, so we should celebrate his actions.
I said no because Columbus just killed and enslaved people and he never really did anything.
This time, history shows he is worth celebrating. Monuments honoring Christopher Columbus are being defaced and destroyed.
Monuments? I think monuments are like statues, right? They're like statues. Oh, there's a picture of Christopher Columbus. There's a statue. If some of you all go shopping downtown, there's a Columbus Circle. There's a big statue of him.
Columbus is a guy who claimed that he found the land that Native Americans found. But in reality, I think he just stole their land.
Yeah. I think like the same, but at the same time, people should like, if he believes that, then let him have that.
So beautiful, so inspiring, so conveniently located. Not so beautiful if you consider the human sacrifice that.
I do think that Mayans are barbaric because what it says here, it says the early settlers like the Mayans, outside Mayans, were as crucial in exploiting subject peoples as any civilization elsewhere. So this proves my point that Mayans were barbaric.
Okay, but if that says that the Mayan people were like making people do the hard work, and also anywhere else people would also let others do the hard work, that just means that they're all still. That's true. It's not the Mayans that are just barbaric. That means everyone's barbaric.